Rally after rally, as political parties in Edo State woo the electorate with campaign promises of a better Edo State if voted into power. The non-partisan public says it's likely going to be a tight contest.
You don't need to be partisan this time because what you do suits for you. It's a game. Whoever wins, to God be the glory.
I'm not the one to decide.
Staking their claims as the major contenders are the People's Democratic Party, PDP, which had previously been in power for over 9 years, and the incumbent All Progressives Congress, APC. There's plenty of optimism on both sides.
Let people come out to vote on that day. They are free to choose whichever party they want. But we know that right now, the choice of the average Edo person, the choice of the majority of Edo people is PDP.
We have nothing to be afraid of. And therefore, we are convinced that Edo people prefer such a progressive government as ours. And therefore, they are solidly behind us.
With the campaigns coming in thick and very fast, the area of security remains a constant source of worry for the electorate. Edo police boss allays some of these fears.
We are building up properly. We've also done a proposed deployment format for the police and other security agencies, which is awaiting the approval of my high command. As soon as that comes, the operation order will be out. I think on paper we look good.
For the electoral umpire, the Independent National Electoral Commission, INEC, preparations could not have been better.
INEC is on course. We have met every timeline, and we are working very hard to make sure that things go smoothly. You will observe that so far it's been peaceful. That has been our prayer. That has been our plea to the major players that we should maintain peace, that it is very, very important to our people. It's a sine qua non for a free and fair elections. As far as our processes are concerned, they have been automated, and we have been meeting our deadlines as at and when due.
So far, so good. With a month left to the September 10, 2016 governorship election in Edo State, the road to Sadebe Avenue becomes tighter for the contestants.